Look at this amazing 3D animated video.
I know she's here. Please, help us find her. Are they showing us the way? This is hers.
I made this 3D animation video without any hassle using completely free AI tools. And the best part? You can create the exact same video from your mobile or PC by following the same 4 simple steps I'm showing in this video. No expensive software, no animation skills. But there is one big problem that ruins many videos. The character keeps changing. In one scene, the character looks perfect, and in the next scene, the face looks different. In this video, you will learn a very simple way to keep your character the same from start to end. I'll show you 4 easy steps using free tools, so you can make clean, high-quality AI cartoon animations, even if you are a complete beginner. You do not have to guess anything. I've shared the main prompts in the description. This one prompt gives you the full story, image prompts, and animation prompts. You don't need to do everything separately. Just copy, paste, and follow each step. You can also change the story and make it your own. Now I'll guide you through the full workflow from start to finish. Let's begin. Step 1. Create the full animation plan with ChatGPT. First, copy the main prompt from the description. Paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you everything. A full story script, clear character descriptions, text to image prompts for every character and every scene, image to video prompts with the dialogue already inside. After step 1, you already have your script, your visual plan, and all prompts you need for the full animation. Step 2. Create the characters and scenes with Whisk. Now we will create the characters and scene images. For this, we will use Whisk, a free tool where you can generate unlimited images. Sign in with your Google account. First, copy the prompt for character 1 from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk. Generate the image. Then copy the prompt for character 2, paste it, and generate again. The characters look clean and professional, with good details and expressions. Drag each character into the subject box so Whisk keeps them consistent in every scene. Now we create the scene images. This is where it feels like a real animated movie. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 text to image prompt. Paste it into Whisk and generate. You get your first scene with strong detail. The lighting looks clean, the environment looks cinematic, and the character is sharp in the frame. Now copy the Scene 2 prompt, paste it, and generate again. The characters still match, nothing breaks. The scene fits the story. Repeat this for all scenes. Copy the prompt, paste in Whisk, generate. When all scene images are ready, move to the next step. Step 3. Turn images into animation clips with Grok. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Open Grok and sign in with your Google account. Click Imagine. Upload your first scene image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image to video prompt with the dialogue. Paste it into Grok and click Generate. The image turns into a real animated shot. The motion is smooth, the expressions feel real, and the lip sync looks surprisingly accurate, like a mini studio animation. Next, upload your second scene image. Copy the second image to video prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate. Again, you get a clean clip. The characters still look the same, the movement is smooth, and the dialogue matches the mouth animation. Now it starts to feel like real connected scenes, not random AI clips. Repeat this for all scenes. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate. When all clips are ready, download them one by one. Now you have a full set of high-quality animated shots ready to join together. Step 4. Now it's time for editing. We will use CapCut, a 100% free video editor. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your clips and place them on the timeline in order. Add smooth transitions so the video flows well. Add soft whoosh sounds on transitions and light background music if needed. But keep the music volume low so the voice is clear. If everything looks good, export your video in 16:9. And that's it.
We'll find
You just
her.
made a full animated
I know
story with
she's
AI, completely free.
Please, help us find her. Are they showing us the way? This is hers. She did fall. Sister? I found you.
If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. See you in the next video.